Hey there, folks. We got a Samsung here that is switched into Spanish mode, which I hablo, but
Close button.
I don't fucking get what that means. Trying to fucking
67.
what?
Ajustes Wi-Fi.
So I just want to show you guys how to fix this fucking thing. I know it's been a while since I've posted any videos, but ooh, Mas. I like Mas.
More options button.
Fuck. Um, yeah, it's because I've been working on
Ajustes Wi-Fi.
Jesus. I mean, Jesus. Yeah, I've been working on getting the fuck out of here. I'm trying to sell my house. I got it up for sale, and nobody seems to want to buy it because I live in Illinois and it's a fucking shithole, and taxes are fucking unbelievable. What the fuck? Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how to
Alerta.
fix
Un
this
to
thing.
establish a wireless data connection.
Yeah, what she said, right?
Close button.
Okay, so here's how you fix it. Huh? Nothing. What? Oh, sorry. Told you I was gonna smash it.